Hello student, welcome back to IBS, and today we are going to discuss about vision planning framework. It means basically how a company management should vision and how they can structure their vision so that they can make a good and realistic vision. So let's discuss. So first is guidance and direction. So basically in this we are going to discuss how a company vision should be directed and their direction should be. So first of all, define company objective. Company objective is normally shorter period of time and goal is normally for longer period of time. Shorter, it means maybe smaller to week, quarter, monthly or yearly, and long would be more than 5 year or 5 year or 10 year. Like this we can segregate. So this is the first, you have to segregate your objective and goal. This is about time point of view. In this period what we are going to do, that we will discuss in next point, objective. So objective or goal would be to increase profit, right? Merger acquisition, expansion, going to a new business, maybe going to another country for the same business, or acquiring new company for new business. That are the things can come under to this. So that kind of work we are going to plan under two point of view. First, objective point of view, so it means shorter period of time, and then goal point of view, it means long period of time. So now since we have already segregated our work also between objective and goal, so we have categorized this also. So now why we are doing this? To reduce our risk. How we will going to reduce our risk? Since company wants sustainable profit, year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, like this, whatever it is, 10%, 5%, but the growth should be as sustainable. They don't want much volatility like this. They don't want this. They want simple regular growth. Okay, so this is why we are making this structure way, so that our plan should be segregated, and I mean to say our short goal and long goal should be clearly defined, and then what in those periods we are going to do, that is also being defined initially, and then also that has been defined between the shorter and longer point of view. And why we are doing this? To reduce our risk. What risk? Volatility risk, because a stockholder wants regular profit. Even if you are going to invest some business, you want some return regular basis, and this is normal expectation for any stockholder or business owner. Now we are going to discuss our third point. Third point is talking about your vision mission has to be segregated, objective wise and long goal. Okay, so when we club all the weekly and quarterly all kind of objective together, okay, then we will make our goal. Okay, so like this, even quarterly, yearly, many year, if we club together, then we will create a goal. If you are making a goal, now you are earning 100 million and you have set a goal of 200 million in 5 years. So this is just a one line statement that will not work. You have to segregate this into objective point of view, and then all the objective will club together, then it will be defined in a structure way. This is what exactly we are trying to learn through vision planning framework. So now we are going to discuss our third point, talk about communication and execution. So when you have all your objective in hand, all objective 1, objective 2, okay, like this, you have made particular goal for longer period of time. So do you think if you will not communicate to your all the team who is actually going to work on this, like your operational team, okay, so if you are not communicating to this, not communicating to HR, do you think this will work? No, right? So you have to communicate this, and not only communication, you have to plan your execution, how we are going to achieve this. Okay, for that company make strategic budget align with company vision mission. Okay, like we have planned to 100 million to 200 million. This is our plan, and then we have made this in a structure way. In 5 years we are going to achieve this, and then again we will split. First year how much we are going to increase, second year what would be our goal, third year what would be our goal, and 5, 4 and 5. And then again the first year will be segregated into quarter, and quarter also segregated into weekly. So this will be considered as an objective, this will be considered as an objective, and this one will be considered as a goal. This is how you have to create stage wise your objective. Once you club all your setted objective, then it will become your goal, and this goal will be executed like this strategically by FP&A team or finance business partner team. Okay, or if they are not available, only finance team will manage all this thing. Okay, another point is company may have written like this, written objective and goal and execution and communication, and some company, even if they are small, they don't do all these things, still they have their objective, still they have their vision, mission, still they have their budget and plan. So this is not written, but still company has some set direction, and there is a small team and they know each other and they communicate each other. So it depends on company to company. I think I'm done for the day. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.